Hello guys, today we're going to be drawing a Rubik's Cube. I don't know if you can solve one. I can and I'd love to. If you can, post in the comments below your fastest time. Okay, let's get into it. First we're going to draw 4 dots on our page like this. We're going to go to the center and go out and go up. Now we're going to connect those with straight lines. Connect, 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 connect. Now we're going to bring this line down. This line's going to come down the farthest, but they're all going to be about the same, the line's going to be the same length, but that one will still come down the farthest. Now we're going to connect all these with straight lines. Great. Now we're going to draw 2 lines right here and right here on the right side of our Rubik's Cube and our left side. Now we're going to bring them as lines over like that, and on the top too, both sides. Now we're going to bring a line that comes down to the center and then back up to the edge. Down to the center, up to the edge. Okay, now we've got a Rubik's Cube. Let's color it. I have a yellow for the top. I'm using biennial markers. Oh, another thing I forgot, if you haven't already, check out my biennial marker review. This cap is not going on. There we go. I'm going to do red next. Now, I have a question for you guys. Is this red the most addictive marker color ever? Or am I losing my mind? I love this color. I think it's so smooth. It's so pretty. Just gorgeous. Sure everything's colored in. And then we move to our blue. Bluey blue. Ah, man. Caps come off really hard. If you do have the biennial markers, be careful not to use too dark. Color. There, we've pretty much finished our Rubik's Cube. There's just one more thing that you're Do you know what's missing? Well, technically there's nothing missing, but I kind of like to add a certain thing in. So I'm going to go back over all these lines, make them thicker, just a little bit. Darker too. The goal is to make your lines wider so it stands out more. Now, if I did this and it had a lot more lines. I wouldn't be doing this for every single line, but because it doesn't have very many lines, man, back to this red. This red looks amazing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Click the like button. And go check out some more of my videos. Okay, I finished. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I had a whole ton of fun drawing this. A whole ton of fun doing this for you guys. I hope you liked it. Please like the video, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications if you want notifications on when I upload a video. If you have any suggestions or comments, leave it in the comments below. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and come draw with me again. Or in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!